Are you also thinking of making videos like this? The best part? It's super easy to create. No computer, no paid subscriptions, just your phone and KineMaster. This effect is perfect for your vlogs and will instantly make your videos look more professional. And today I'm going to show you step by step how to create this effect in KineMaster in just a few minutes. And trust me, once you master this, your content will never be the same. Alright, open KineMaster and import your video. The smoother the movement, the better this effect will look. Let's start by adding the text. Tap on Layer, then select Text, and type whatever you want. Keep it short and sweet. 1 or 2 words work best for a cleaner, more professional look. Next, click on Font, and choose a bold font. It will make your text stand out and be easier to read. The background is a bit bright, so the text needs to be a slightly darker color. Now, drag the text to the position where you want it to appear on the screen. If you want to make it more dynamic, you can also add animations to the text. To do this, tap on In Animation. I'm going to select the Fade effect, but you can choose any animation that fits your style. Let's make the animation a bit faster to keep things smooth and engaging. Don't forget to add an out animation as well. This will make the text fade in smoothly when it appears, and fade out seamlessly when it disappears, giving your video a professional touch. If you want to show the text zooming in smoothly, you can do that using keyframes. It's super easy. Let's say I want to add a zoom effect from starting point to right here. First, select the text layer and tap on the keyframe icon, and slightly increase the text size by pinching out. And that's it. Look how cool that effect is. With keyframes, you're not just adding text, you're adding motion that grabs attention. An in-depth video on keyframes is coming soon, where I'll break down advanced tricks to make your edits even more dynamic. So, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. That way, you'll get notified instantly when I drop that video. Now, click on the main video layer, then go to the top left-hand side and tap on this option. After that, select Duplicate as Layer. This will create a new layer that's an exact copy of your main video. Keep the duplicate layer above your text. This creates the mask that hides the text behind the object. Now, fit the duplicate layer to the screen, but don't zoom manually. That won't give you an exact fit. For that, scroll down here and then tap on Split Screen. After that, select this rectangle and it will automatically become full screen. Now, go back, scroll down a bit, and you'll see the Magic Remover option. Click on it. It will take some time, but once it's done, the background of your duplicate layer will be removed, leaving only the object visible. And it's done. Here's the results. Now that you've mastered this effect, there's one more tool every serious creator needs. The blur effect. Whether it's hiding personal info or creating cinematic focus, knowing how to blur like a pro is a must. I have explained KineMaster Blur tool in detail. Click right here to unlock the KineMaster Blur tool and take your editing skills even further. I'll see you there.